We need to ensure the new cooling process is optimized by Tuesday. Any issues with the flow?
What about the speed on the third line? Will it handle the volume?
The speed on line 3 seems slightly off.
Yes, let's check the temperature controls over there.
We need to move these eggs to station 4 before the next batch arrives.
Got it. The syrup goes to mixing, right?
The flow rate seems slightly high on gauge 3.
The tablet data compensates for the viscosity. It's within tolerance.
Check the metrics for the last 5 minutes.
Everything is well within the parameters.
The consistency looks perfect now.
All right, slowing the blades.
Показатели вязкости соответствуют норме.
Да, структура выглядит идеально, можно приступать к выпечке. Check the viscosity on lot 34B. It seems slightly off.
Yes, I noticed that too.
Let's adjust the mixer speed.
The installation looks secure, but the insulation near the coupling seems worn.
I agree. Let's schedule a closer inspection during the next downtime.
Valve 7 is clear.
Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing at 200 psi. Ready for activation.
The pressure gauge is holding steady right at the specified limit.
Good. The automated feed seems optimized now. The viscosity levels are stable, right within the optimal range according to the sensor data here. Check the viscosity on screen 3.
It's holding steady at the optimal range.
The color on batch 7 looks perfect.
Agreed. Let's increase the speed on the dispenser.
Monitoring the temperature now.
Everything seems to be running within optimal parameters now.
Agreed. The consistency is excellent across the line.
The temperature readings are spiking here.
I just calibrated the heat exchanger. It should stabilize now.
The mechanism seems stable now.
Yes, the data on the tablet confirms the adjustment worked. The wafer weight is consistent again.
So this dial controls the cook time, right?
That's right. We increased it slightly to get that golden brown finish you see now. Cycle initiated. Temperature is holding steady.
Looks good from here.
Pay close attention to the time setting right here. If the waffles are too light, we increase it by 10 seconds using this interface.
Got it. Increase by 10 seconds.
This row seems slightly underbaked on the left side. We need to adjust the temperature immediately.
The color on these is perfect. Consistent golden brown.
Agreed. The data aligns with the visual inspection. Is this batch meeting the crispness standard?
Yes, the temperature alignment seems correct now.
We need to monitor the temperature precisely in this cooling zone.
Yes, the airflow seems consistent.
The steam pressure seems high on the third nozzle.
Yes, let's check the regulator settings now.
The rate seems to be increasing on this batch.
Yes, the temperature adjustment worked perfectly. Look at the consistency here. The thickness is perfect on this stack. All right, let's keep the humidity levels steady on the line.
The temperature reading here is stable.
Good, but let's check the thickness on the next batch.
Check the viscosity reading on sector gamma.
The flow rate is steady and the temperature is optimal according to the tablet.
Good.
Okay.
Let's maintain the current parameters.
Check the viscosity level on screen 3. It seems a little high.
I'll adjust it.
I'll adjust the setting now.
The flow rate is consistent with the target viscosity.
Noted. The coverage looks good down the line.
The color on the second batch looks inconsistent.
We can adjust the temperature setting.
The flow rate here seems slightly off trend compared to the moisture content readings.
Let me check the historical data for this batch.
The flow rate seems consistent on the last batch.
Yes, and the temperature is holding steady. I'll adjust the sprinkle duration now.
The coverage looks good on this batch.
Yes, the flow rate is steady according to the panel. The color looks good, but the texture on this one is a bit rough.
Noted. I'll recalibrate the temperature settings immediately.
The glaze application is perfect on this batch.
The data confirms it. We are hitting the exact viscosity targets.
Excellent. Let's keep monitoring the next run.
We need to monitor the temperature here, see how it fluctuates.
Yes, but the glaze consistency looks good.
What about the cooling time setting?
Check the thickness on the left side.
I see it. It's not uniform. Look at the alignment here. It's inconsistent.
Yes, I see that. We should adjust the guides.